Shabushabu. Morning, guys. It's Monday. I am taking a day off today because I was working over the weekend. I'm gonna help my grandma to take care of our garden today. Because the temperature outside has dropped and it's really nice outside. It's not hot anymore. It's a completely fall weather now, so it's a good time to take care of our garden outside. So let's do it today. These are for my skin. I have to protect my skin from getting the sun, so I got the package from manufacturer. I'm going to open this. I got some stamps for reminisce. How cute! Ta-da! This week's flower. There's not a lot of flowers during the summer, but I picked up some of them. These are roses. We only had 2. Cute. brand tags with stamps, and I'm gonna continue to work on making pouches. I just made one of them. What do you think? It's a little bigger than the syrup pouch that I introduced you last week or 2 weeks ago. So a little bit bigger. I don't know if you guys like this tag. It's handmade, so I stamped on it. So it's a little bit like I don't know how's it called, but I don't know how can I explain this, but a little bit like a blurry because it's stamped. So what do you think? Let me know, comment down below. And inside. So I am starting out my Instagram for Reminisce. So please follow me if you're interested. Instagram can be very toxic. I chose my well-being, so I stopped Instagram, but like it was like 10 years ago or something. But I am starting out again to post my products and items for Reminisce. So if you're interested, please follow me.